Hello students, let us work on the third colligative property student, which is depression in freezing point. जो depression in freezing point है students. And before this we had a discussion on two colligative properties, which were RLVP, relative lowering in vapor pressure, and elevation in boiling point. The third colligative property student is depression in freezing point. Now why there is depression in freezing point? Depression in freezing point student, this is due to the presence of non-volatile solute, Now this depression in freezing point is represented by delta TF, and this is equal to freezing point of solvent minus freezing point of solution student. So delta TF is TF naught is what? Freezing point of solvent minus freezing point of solution is student TF. Now let us go through a graphical plot student. सबसे पहले देखो आप यहाँ पे we have taken solvent at the top. This graphical plot is vapor pressure versus temperature. At the top we have solvent, and then we have assumed that solution 1 has a higher vapor pressure than solution 2. तो solution 1 ऊपर होगा solution 2 के students. Now student, at point A the solvent starts freezing. So the vapor pressure corresponding to A is P0 for solvent, and its temperature is T0 student. For solution 1, the solution 1 freezes at point B student, and the vapor pressure corresponding here is P1 and temperature is T2. For solution 2, the solution 2 freezes at point C, vapor pressure is P2 and the temperature here is T2 student. Now in the previous discussion we had came to know that these BD and CE are curved line students, but if the solution is dilute they are considered as straight lines. आपको पता है ये चीज़. And using similarity of triangle, that is ratio of AD by AE is equal to CE by BD, हम लोग इस एक्सप्रेशन को डिराइव कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. डेल्टा TF इज इक्वल टू KF टाइम्स ऑफ M. M क्या स्टूडेंट? मोलालिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. तो ये मैंने मोलालिटी की फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे लगा दिया, WB by MB इंटू मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन किलोग्राम. व्हाट इज KF? KF इज कॉल्ड एज मोलर डिप्रेशन कांस्टेंट, जिसका दूसरा नाम क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? क्रायोस्कोपिक कांस्टेंट. भाई मुझे अगर KF को डिफाइन करना हो तो if I consider the molality of solution to be equal to 1, then KF will be equal to delta TF. So molar depression constant is depression in freezing point of 1 molar solution. What is the unit of K student? The unit of KF is equal to delta TF by M from the formula. Delta TF temperature unit and this is mole per kilogram, तो ये किलोग्राम पर मोल हो जाएगा, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो डिग्री सेल्सियस किलोग्राम पर मोल. Now KF is characteristic of a particular solvent and it can be calculated thermodynamically by using this relationship, by using this formula. KF is equal to MAR TF naught square